After they dashed and designed, you voted for your favorite, and the results are in. And the 2018 Lazy Boy Design Dash winner is Jenni Radosevich with I Spy DIY.
You guys, I won the Design Dash! I got the call this morning when I was working at my latest renovation, and I'm actually using a lot of the pieces that I put into the Design Dash room in this renovation. This money came at the perfect time because me and my husband were talking about some charities that we wanted to donate to at the end of the year, and then use the rest of the money towards our next renovation and really do what we love.
Congratulations, Jenni, and all the other talented bloggers for showing us how to live life comfortably with Lazy Boy. Looking for a little bit of inspiration? Well, be sure to check out the Design Center at your local Lazy Boy furniture galleries or view the entire Urban Attitudes collection in store or online today.